Okay, you have no idea how hyped I am for this. So I know there's a secret cat that you can play, and I know I know there's a puzzle to like unlock him. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm really stupid. So I looked it up, and so I have to type SOFANTHEL, and then that works. Okay. Obviously, this is spoilers if you've never played this character. Um, yeah. So it's secret, and I'm super excited to see what the heck I'm doing. Thanks, Andrew.
There you are.
I heard it's really challenging. All right. It is wet. Okay. I'm in the Bubba memory complex or whatever that's called. Why do I have an egg? Hello, egg. Hello, good sir. This will go to the leg, I believe. I do love a good. Uh-oh. Oh, ah. Well, there goes my spear. How come they can live? That's not fair. Their legs are that strong? They do leg day? What time is it? It's not even fully rated. Okay. This game is cheating. I'll tell you what. Except it actually is cheating because this game literally is supposed to be like unfair and unbeatable or something. So, you know, that's cool. I suppose. Oh, the rain is killing me! Ah! Uh-oh. Oh, God. Gosh dang, snipper birds. Sheer birds, get away from me! Oh, victory. Victory is right here. Oh, victory! Oh, no, don't come back. Okay. Okay. There's nothing... No protection here. Not sure I like that. Okay. We're fine. Making my way downtown, walking down, going fast, cause... Oh. What is that? What was that noise? Oh. Zero clue what that means, but that's okay. They're going that way, which is the opposite way that I want. Because then that means that... they're gonna come back, right? Uh-oh. It's raining hard. It's hardly raining. Hardly raining in the wind. Can't even escape my own mind. What is that? What is that?
Goodbye, gamer.
Excuse me? I'm standing right here. My body's right... Okay, and I have to do that again. I just realized my food requirement is... Oh my god. Can I eat things at least? Like meat? And apparently this egg is a bomb. Anti-gravity bomb or something. Anti-life is what I always like to say. Of course, that's every bomb, I believe. Other than a bath bomb. That would shatter in this rain. So I have a very valuable resource, which is a mega bomb that murders things. So that's cool. I do like that. That is handy. I didn't like having to walk all the way basically to the ends of the memory crypts just to have... just to have my body murdered, but that's okay. Oh, good, a sleep hole, guys. That'll sure come in handy when I acquire, like, 10 food in the Shaded Citadel. So what's the time frame on this one? Oh. Okay. Oh my god, that's a lot of them. And I'm gonna drown now because the rain is gonna push me down. Oh, this little ledge. It protects me. Uh-oh. Do that. Oh! Oh, 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 oh my God. Wait, can I eat these? Ah, I can eat them. They don't even. Okay. No. Game. Let go of the. Okay. Okay. Let go of the. Let go of it. And now I'm just stuck in the middle of them. At least I can eat. Except.
Goodbye, gamer.
Wow. You have got to be joshing me. Okay. Why aren't you? Why aren't you reacting? Why aren't you reacting? Go in the hole.
Game.
I know there's a sleep hole around here. Oh, good. I'm glad I don't need any karma to get in this door. I forgot about that. Because if I... Oh my god, if I had to get more karma... I wouldn't have. Because, That's bad. Oh, that's bad, okay? Okay. Okay. Why is it so dark? Tower of Tower of Gains? Bruh. Where did the red lizard go? I can't see anything. Oh, that's rot. That I just
Goodbye, gamer.
Okay, I have no food this time. I have 0 food. In the Tower of Gains. Is that a spider? Oh my god. Back in the Tower of Gains. Gaining things like power. Tower. I can't even get past the starting area. Which is ridiculous to me. But that's really just a skill issue. What? The Tower of Gains? What am I gaining? Pain? I'm presuming those things electrocute you. Okay, so I have to... Keep in mind, it takes me like 3-ish tries to get here. This video would just be way too long. Can I climb that? Cool. Good, I can climb that. What part of that can I grab?
Good night, gamer.
I actually can't grab any of it. Because, that's cool. That's great. Tower of Gains? More like Tower of I'm leaving this game. That better do something. Oh. I love the... I didn't even grab them. It just takes me... I hate this game so much. What happens if I... Did I do anything? It actually did. That is an incredible range. No. Ow. No, you're very much alive.
Game over.
What? Ah. No! If I'm going out, you're going out with me! Oh, there's one that's not dead. How do I get past that, then? And he sees me. I love how the rain doesn't affect anything else. Alright. Are you bastards dead? I barely even jumped into him, and now I'm already under, like, the water. Thanks. It takes so much... Oh, my God. I can't... They're just pushing me deeper! How do I get out of that? I'm being killed by the centipede, and they're already dead. I can't... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I'm going insane! I'm going insane! Why? Why? Oh my god. And here's my bumper now. Now I'm gonna... And then I wasted my spear, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't even need that spear. We did it. We made it through the hardest. You have got to be kidding me. Hey, what's up, buddy? How's that feeling for you? Oh my god. Oh my god. My Jesus. My gerbly. Gerbly, gerbly. Oh yeah, give me that. Gerbly, gerbly, gerbly. That was it. That was done. Excuse me. Ooh, is this a karma plant? Oh, wow, guys. That's amazing. That's... No. Why did it go through him? Why did it go through him? Oh. A sleep hole? There's gotta be a trick. No, there's a trick. At least I can stop this stupid shelter failure thing. That would be awesome, guys. You know how much I love shelter failures? So much. I remember I had them like multiple times in a row as Rivulet, and that was just the worst. It's still a shelter failure. Oh my god, I don't remember the map. Moon, I need one of your neurons. Help a man out. Help a... Let's not throw my neuron bomb. Okay. Oh, so it's just, I can't get up there. Is what you're telling me. What? What is that?
Tonight, gamer.
What was that? Okay. Not actually what I wanted. Not what I... Okay, is this gonna work now? No? It just goes through him. Why did the game do that? Oh my god, I hate this game sometimes. And I'm stuck. Didn't even want to do that, actually, so might as well just kill myself. What is my... God, you can see me from there. That's so rad. Okay, now I have to traverse whatever this is in the dark. Oh my god, little lizard boy. Hello, little lizard boy. Uh-oh. That's not what I want at all. Uh-oh. He's glowing. Why is he glowing? Oh. Oh. Totally forgot where I am. Oh, hi. How you doing? Oh, no.
Game over, gamer.
What? There is a sleep hole here, but I don't think another sleep hole is absolutely necessary. I'm waiting for the pole plant to come and kill me. I wish I could actually remember my way through this place. That'd make life, oh my god, a hell of a lot easier. Why? Stop! If I could escape the Shaded Citadel. It's still called the Shaded Citadel, I think. I like how... What? I think I know where I am. Think I know. Oh, I think I know. But I get out of this place in one piece. Come back. Oh, that's a white lizard. That's why I told you to come back. Now you're dead. Now you're dead, Bosco. You should have listened to me. See? You're gone. If any birds come... Wow, it's kind of pretty. Kind of pretty out here when I can see. Oh, is that a scav? More like my dinner. Like my... Oh, wait. Do I only get a little bit of food from meat? Oh, that's stupid. At least I headshot him. He didn't feel anything. It wasn't screaming. It was air escaping his body. Okay. So we're fine. Do I risk it? Ooh. Oh, good. I thought that man caught my bomb midair and deactivated it. That would have made me mad, to be TBH.
Goodbye.
Damn! What is that? What was that color? What was that color? Don't scare me like that. What is that? 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 What is what? Whoa! New color. New look. Holy hell, that's a big one. What is that? It's dead is what it is. What was that? Was that just a red one? No, there's no way that was a red one. How much food does it give? A lot. Oh my god. Let me get a better look at you. Come here. Come here. I gotta look at you. What? You're a... Uh-oh. Oh, I ducked it. I ducked it. Ooh, who's the cool guy now? Oh no. This is bad. They're gonna be everywhere now. Oh. Did that do anything? I'm gonna pretend that did something and get out of here. Oh! You just were playing dead. Oh my... Whoa! There's not gonna be that big old lizard, right? 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 Oh no. No, 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 no. Holy no! What? Going sicko mode. Sicko mode. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, no, 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 no. Sure. Yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Wait. I have an idea. And then get in here. And then we'll let that implode on them. And... Okay. The rain is... Yep. Nope. That's chill. Okay. And then I just get free food. Essentially. Right? And I'm stuck. I'm stuck under their big booties. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. That... Is that two of them? Holy hell, you're huge! And there's two of them. And they're taking it off. And... Oh my god. Oh my Lord and Savior. Slugcat Jesus. Okay. Oh my god. Why does he flare his little flangulas? You're a big boy, aren't you? Oh, he's so happy. Oh! No. Don't you dare. I'm stuck now. Oh my. Are you... I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Let go. How do you let go? Okay. Go after them. What? Right. Oh my god. Come here, you. I need breakfast in the morning. I hear something up there.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mark.
I'm sleeping in here. Don't care. Don't even care. Not dealing with that. And I'm gonna end it here. I hope you have a good one. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Merry Valentine's Day. And I hope if it's evening, you blow up.
I mean, like, get big.
Burp.